Samsung just flexed Galaxy S26 AI speed, and it's unbelievably fast. Samsung has now demonstrated the Galaxy S26's AI image generation speed, and it looks seriously impressive. The latest teaser hints that Galaxy AI has learned some new tricks, and that's where things start getting really exciting. In the new preview clip, Samsung highlights the AI image generation performance of the Galaxy S26 lineup. It appears to be a showcase of the EdgeFusion technology working in the background, allowing users to edit and create images instantly. Now, Samsung is presenting the feature in real-time action. The video shows a user entering a text prompt that gets processed within seconds. A man sitting casually types the prompt, "Add party animals." Although it's a promotional demo, the effect is displayed live within the scene rather than on a phone mock-up. Moments after entering the prompt, the system inserts realistic dogs into the environment, placing them naturally in the frame. EdgeFusion solution is the key driver behind Galaxy S26's upgraded AI editing experience. It ensures on-device AI image editing and generation. The execution time is merely seconds, elevating your everyday experiences. In the videos released, Samsung showcased fixing missing objects, generating objects, and transforming pictures. These creative capabilities once required professional skills or hours of editing. Samsung says such editing is now possible on the new Galaxy phones in minutes. Beyond that, the entire system is supported by natural language, meaning you can ask the phone what to do in your own words. This video shows Galaxy AI bringing back an eaten bite to the cupcake in seconds. The picture doesn't lose its aesthetics, feel, or shape, all natural. Another video previews the AI-powered sketch to image generating a UFO in the sky. A simple sketch in the sky shot has turned into a real element. Lastly, a picture of a dog has turned into a beautiful sticker pack. It not only keeps the primary aesthetics at the center, but also generates stickers in different poses and moods. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.